H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Windows into 64 installer, and don't care about that 32-bit or 86-bit and all, because it is no longer supported, right? And after you click on it, it will take you to the sign in page. See, you have to give your proper email address, that is your original email address, password which you needed for this site, not the email password, the password which is required for accessing this site. Your email ID, your password, your country, your first name, last name. So the sections which will confuse you is the job title, work phone, company name, company address, and this one. This is the section we need not to bother about. Job title, you can just give student, work location, you can give anything, or I will give India itself. In your case, you can give anything. The company name is again student work phone. Okay, I will just give some random phone number. Address is something Atlanta, and give the city name and give the zip code and create account. The confirmation email will be sent to your account for you to activate it first. Only then you will be able to download the software. Please download the software from oracle.com, and the software is JDK, and the version what we are trying to download is Java 11. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. One more thing. Even though you guys have different versions of Java, that is, you might be having the latest version 17, 18, 19, 20, never mind. You can still go and follow the steps that I'm telling you to do. Right? Clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So the downloaded software will look like this. You see JDK 11.0.18. Okay, even though it was showing as 20, since this software which I've already downloaded earlier, it is showing as 11.0.18. The thing that we have to pay attention is it has to be JDK 11. After that, let it be of any version. Don't care. Cool?
Cool.
Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The installation is very simple. It's a exe file. Okay. So if it is any exe file, normally how will you do the installation? How will you do the installation?
Click on the
Just double click on it and follow the instruction, correct? Right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
So I'm going to do the same thing. Just double click on it. If you double click on it,
Santosh, I have a question. Do I need to create an account on Oracle?
yes, it's mandatory, and don't worry, they will not spam your email. Yes, for downloading the software, you have to create an account, and it will be useful for your any products that you wanted to download with Oracle's website. It will be very helpful, right?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so you will be getting this message that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Well, yes. Again, I repeat, please do follow the video. Don't do anything parallelly.
Do you want to uninstall the version 7?
No,
Like
no,
what
not
was the
required.
version we
Not
have
required.
and then install it?
Not
Okay.
required. Not required. You can install on top of it. Not required.
Okay. Go ahead.
So the next screen will be this one. Click on next. Don't do anything here. Click on next, and the Java installation is in progress. So it will take a couple of minutes. Since I'm using virtual machine, it will take a bit more time for me. In your case, all this will happen in fraction of seconds. Let it install. And once the installation completes, you have one of the most powerful software that is needed, that is Java on your system. So for that, we have to wait for the installation to complete. Okay, done. This is the next step. Click on close. Right, cool. So what we have to do, if on the same command prompt, which is already opened, if I'll tell Java and hit enter, you're gonna see a different message like this. Can you see this? Previously, it was telling that it was not recognizing, but you see now it is giving a lot more options. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes.
And also, sometimes what will happen, it's a good practice that you close the previously open command prompt, type or like open a new instance of this command prompt, and just type again Java space everything in small minus version. So it is telling me the Java which is installed on my computer is 11.0.18, correct?
Yes.
Correct. Okay. Now some important steps that we will be doing. Just for that, please observe it. Okay. Configuring, or the second step is post installation of JDK software. We need to add this to the build path. To do that, just observe it on this search bar. Okay, on the search option from the Windows, type edit. Okay, you see I just typed edit sys. Can you see this at the bottom? I'm just typing edit sys, and I'm getting this option, edit the system environment variable. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so just click on this one, and this system properties pop-up will open for you. In this system properties, okay, before to that, what you have to do is very important step. Observe it. All the software that you install, by default it would be sitting on the C drive, correct?
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay,
Mhm.
you have to go inside the C drive. There is a folder called as program files. Can you see this?
Yes.
Go
Yes.
inside this program files, and you should be able to see just now what we installed Java, right? Go inside this Java and JDK, then click on this address bar. Just do a single click, right click, and copy this path and paste it onto your notepad. Okay, then you have to do this system edit system variables, where it will open up this properties file. Okay, here you have to click on this option called as environment variables. Can you see, which is at the last, just one step above the bottom option. Can you see this?
Yes.
Click on this environment variable, and you see something called, there are two options which is available: user variable for Santosh and system variable. Under system variable, can you see something called as path?
Yes.
Okay, you
Yes.
have to you have to do a single click on this path, click on edit, and you should paste the one which you just copied. Can you see? See program files, Java, JDK, bin. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. Once you paste it, how to paste it? You have to click on new and just paste it here. That's it. Got it? Clear?
Yes.
Clear? Okay. So what basically we are doing, we are adding Java to the system environment variable path so that the Java can be automatically recognized. If any Java program that we are writing, the system will be able to interpret that programming or the programs that we have written, and it will give the output. For that, we have to do this. Right, click on OK, click on OK from here, and click on OK from here. And in the command prompt, I'm going to type Java C. This time it is not Java, it is Java C, everything in small letter, space minus version. See, Java C stands for Java compiler, and the version, it is as same as the above one, correct? Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. This gives us the confirmation that the Java is installed on a computer. One of the most important software to have it when you're stepping into the world of either it could be a development or it could be a QA. Cool? So far so good?
Yes. Yeah.
Right. The next software that we would be needing is Eclipse. Okay. Eclipse is one of the IDE software. IDE stands for Integrated
Development environment.
Development Environment. Okay, so there are choices of IDE for Java development. You could come across any one, any of this in the companies. First of all, you have a choice between Eclipse, you have a choice between IntelliJ, you have a choice between NetBeans, then VS Code Editor, then what are the other softwares? What are the other softwares? Okay, pretty much, yeah. So you have these many choices as the IDE. Okay, IntelliJ is the one, is the IDE where 90% of the company uses.
Oh my.
Please be on mute. Please be on mute.
Hello.
Please be on mute. Jyoti, please be on mute. Right. Okay. So if you ask me, Santosh, then why are we not learning IntelliJ? Why are we learning Eclipse? Both, like, it is equally same, but when it compared to IntelliJ, Eclipse is easier to learn and you get a lot of options that you will learn as part of Eclipse. The same thing you can just replicate with IntelliJ as well. I will show you both. If time permits, I will show you both. But in our case, we will go with Eclipse. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Or, okay, it's better that we will go with Eclipse. Then how to download this Eclipse? Next one is, again, go to Google. Please observe it. Please observe it. Okay, here I'm just typing Eclipse download and Google will fetch me the list of options from where I can download the Eclipse software, in which I'm interested in going to this one. Jyoti, I think I've already answered this question. Eclipse.org. Okay, this is the official website to download the Eclipse software. Eclipse can be downloaded in Eclipse can be downloaded in two types. One is as exe and the second one is as a zip file. So what I'm going to show you is how to download it as a zip file. Can you see this? From this website, you see I'm getting this option. Can you see this? Install your favorite desktop IDE packages. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes.
I can go ahead and directly click on this download one, which is going to download me an exe file, which I don't want it to do it. That's what I was telling you. Instead, I'm going to download this called as packages. Can you see this?
Yes.
There's a link below this and it is telling download packages. I'm going to click on that one. So it is going to list me out the different Eclipse packages, in which, please pay attention, in which you have to download the right package. Okay, Jyoti, one more time. If you have the JDK 18 pre-installed it will not create any problem if you install Java 11 on top of it. Okay. Okay, so it is going to take you to this page where you have to look for this option, Eclipse ID for Enterprise Java and Web Development. Can you see this option? The
Yes.
second option,
Yes.
okay,
Yes.
which is of 514 megabyte. Click on this. Beside to it, there is one option called as Windows, and there is a link over here. Can you see this?
Yes.
Just click on this one. And it is going to take you to the next page where, like, it will fetch the minutes from where to download, and it is going to be different from your system to my system. For me, it is telling that the download link, which is fetched from Korea. In your case, it could be from US itself. So go ahead and click on this and it will start downloading the zip file. Okay. Unlike the Java software, which was just an exe file, what kind of a software this Eclipse which we downloaded now?
Zip
What is a
file.
zip file?
Zip file.
So zip file is like a packet, correct? Or something which is packed inside some container, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. To take out the contents from the container which is packed, what we have to do?
Zip it.
Unzip it. It is already zipped it. We have to unzip it, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. We can do that by the default software which comes as part of Windows. But I would recommend you to install one additional software called as 7-Zip. What is the software called as?
7-zip.
7-Zip download. This is a very small, lightweight software which is basically used for unzipping any archived file. If you ask me, Santosh, we can directly use